Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find day 8, wait, nope, day 9 of the Onsen Egg Hunt in Heartopia, as well as where the bubble is. So for the egg, you're just going to go underneath this like wood, um, birch, I don't know what it's called, okay? And you'll find the egg here. And again, you're just going to take a picture with the egg. It is the orange one. And for the bubble, we are going to go where Marin, I don't know how to pronounce her name, but it's located like here. So I'm just going to go there. Okay, so the bubble is located here, as you can see, next to the grandma. Here it is on the map, just to be a little bit more clear. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.